Today, we learn the Chinese character yàng. At its core, yàng refers to a form, appearance, pattern, or type. It helps describe how something looks, what type it is, or what model it represents. As Chinese evolved, yàng became one of the most productive characters in the language. It appears in words about appearance, comparison, styles, samples, and even role models. Once you understand the core idea behind yàng, you'll begin recognizing many useful words that native speakers use every day. Let's explore how one simple character grows into 10 practical vocabulary words. Our first word is yàng, which means the same or identical. The character yi means one, and yàng means pattern or form. Literally, it means one pattern. If two things share the same pattern, they're considered the same. Imagine placing two identical cups on a table. They look exactly alike because they share the same form. That's yàng. For example, 我们的想法都一样. Our ideas are all the same. Next is 样子, meaning appearance or the way something looks. Yang refers to appearance, while 子 is a common noun suffix. Literally, it means appearance. We use this word whenever we talk about someone's look, facial expression, or the appearance of an object. Imagine looking into a mirror. Everything you see is your 样子. For example, 你今天的样子看起来很开心. 你今天的样子看起来很开心. You look very happy today. Our third word is 同样, which means likewise, equally, or the same. 同 means same or together, and 样 means pattern. Literally, it's the same pattern. Unlike 一样, which directly compares two things, 同样 often means that the same situation or result also applies somewhere else. Imagine two friends walking side by side on the same path. They're following the same pattern. That's 同样. For example, 我也有同样的问题. 我也有同样的问题. I have the same problem too. Now, let's learn 多样, meaning diverse or varied. 多 means many, while 样 means kinds or forms. Literally, it means many kinds. Whenever something exists in many different forms or types, Chinese speakers describe it as 多样. Imagine walking through a market filled with fruits from all over the world. So many different kinds together create diversity. That's 多样. For example, 这里的文化非常多样. 这里的文化非常多样. The culture here is very diverse. Our fifth word is 花样. It means pattern, variety, or even clever trick, depending on the context. 花 means flower or colorful, and 样 means pattern. Literally, it's flower pattern. Originally, the word referred to decorative designs, but over time, it also came to describe creative ideas, different styles, and even clever tricks. Imagine a beautiful piece of fabric covered with colorful flowers. The decorative design catches everyone's attention. Later, that idea expands into creativity and variety. That's 花样. For example, 他总是有很多新花样. 他总是有很多新花样. He always comes up with lots of new ideas. Next is 样品, meaning sample. 样 represents a model or example, while 品 means product or item. Literally, it means model item. A 样品 is a sample product shown before people buy or produce it. Imagine shopping for a new sofa. The furniture store lets you try the display model before placing your order. That display model is the 样品. For example, 这是我们的最新样品. 这是我们的最新样品. This is our newest sample. Our seventh word is 样本, which also means sample, but it's used in science, medicine, research, and statistics. Yang means model or example, while 本 originally means root, origin, or copy. Literally, it's sample copy. Unlike 样品, which refers to products, 样本 refers to specimens collected for testing or analysis. Imagine a scientist collecting one leaf from a forest. That single leaf represents thousands of others. It becomes a 样本. For example, 医生需要检查血液样本. 医生需要检查血液样本. The doctor needs to examine a blood sample. Next is 样式, meaning style, design, or pattern. Yang means pattern or form, while 式 means style or type. Literally, it's pattern style. This word describes the design or appearance of clothing, furniture, products, and many other objects. Imagine choosing between several phone cases. Each one has a different design. Each design is a different 样式. For example, 这件衣服的样式很好看. 这件衣服的样式很好看. The design of this piece of clothing looks beautiful. Our ninth word is 原样, meaning exactly as it was or unchanged. 原 means original, while 样 means appearance or form. Literally, it's original appearance. Native speakers use this expression whenever they want something to remain exactly the same. Imagine borrowing your friend's book. When you return it, it looks exactly as it did before. You returned it 原样. For example, 请原样放回去. 请原样放回去. Please put it back exactly as it was. Finally, we have 榜样, meaning role model. 榜 originally refers to an honor board or ranking list, while 样 means model or example. Literally, it's an example on the honor board. Over time, the word came to mean someone whose actions and character are worth following. Imagine a school displaying its best student's name on the honor board. Other students admire them and hope to become like them. That student becomes everyone's 榜样. For example, 他一直是孩子们的榜样. 他一直是孩子们的榜样. He has always been a role model for children.